Due to her personal issues and interactions with other cast members, Dorit Kemsley has become one of the most talked about characters on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills this season. Her continued separation from Paul P.K. Kemsley and the emotional toll it seems to be taking on her, both in front of cameras and in her relationship with other housewives, are the focus of season 15. Dorit's changing connection with Kyle Richards is one of the most talked about topics among fans. The two, who were formerly close friends, now seem aloof, and recent episodes show growing strain between them. Kyle worries about how Dorit talks about her marital difficulties in sequences that have become hot topics on the internet, implying that negativity could spread across the group and impact everyone's on-camera experience. Viewers have been arguing whether Kyle's comments show a developing strain in their bond or are encouraging. On-screen, Dorit's emotional responses have made headlines. She freely expresses her worries and concerns over the dissolution of her marriage in private talks, occasionally displaying self-doubt and indecision about what to do next. Fans' reaction to these moments have been mixed. Some applaud her transparency, while others argue it might be damaging her standing in the cast. These moments have given viewers a more vulnerable view of a lady who is usually presented as confident and calm. Beyond her interactions on television, rumors about Dorit's private life persist. She and PK are spending significant vacations apart. According to recent insights into her real-life situation, this suggests to many observers that their separation may be more long-lasting than previously thought. This has sparked intense discussion in fan circles over whether the split would result in a formal divorce on both a financial and legal basis, as well as how it might alter her storyline on the show. Dorit is still the subject of significant social media buzz. On fan pages, clips and comments from recent episodes are often trending. Discussions range from empathy for her emotional state to criticism of the way she presents her personal struggles in the setting of reality TV. While some viewers believe she is allowing her personal life to dominate the dynamics of the group, others find her openness to be one of the most interesting plot points of the season. Dorit's emotional journey from heartache and friendship conflicts to public reflection on her marriage remains the major theme of the show. She continues to be one of the most talked about characters on Real Housewives of Beverly Hills in 2026, with unresolved concerns still at play and no seeming end in sight for her interpersonal drama. Viewers are keeping a careful eye on her relationships to see if they will improve, deteriorate further, or undergo a total transformation due to the difficulties she encounters. Insiders suggest that the turmoil is far from over even as Dorit works through her divorce and damaged connections. Fans are left wondering which cast member will be affected first by behind-the-scenes fights, covert confrontations, and surprise moves that could utterly shake the house. Her next choices, both on and off camera, might convert vulnerability into conflict or lead to unexpected partnerships. Sources close to production suggest that Dorit might be subtly creating new connections behind the scenes and developing unanticipated friendships with cast members who were previously marginalized. Rumors circulating among insiders also hint that she may make a significant disclosure about her personal life in future episodes, which might change the tone of the season and make her competitors reconsider their tactics.